Want stronger security and better access control when report viewers access Starburst and Power BI? Microsoft has introduced Microsoft Entra ID Single Sign-On, SSO, for Starburst, allowing data access policies to be evaluated against the actual user instead of a shared service account. Here's what you need to know. What does it mean? Users querying semantic models in direct query mode can authenticate to Starburst using their own Entra ID identity. This allows Starburst to enforce row-level and column-level security based on the individual user. Which connector should you use? Two Starburst connectors appear in Power BI's Get Data experience. The original connector remains available for existing reports, while the new Starburst Secured by Entra ID connector enables the end-to-end SSO experience and should be used for new implementations. How does it work? When a user opens a direct query report, their Entra ID token is passed through the on-premises data gateway to Starburst. Starburst validates the identity and applies its own authorization policies based on the authenticated user. How do you enable it? Administrators need to enable Starburst SSO and Microsoft Entra Single Sign-On for Data Gateway in the Power BI admin portal. Once configured, direct query semantic models can pass each user's Entra ID identity directly to Starburst. When should you use it? Use Entra ID SSO when you want Starburst security policies to be enforced per user, improve auditing capabilities, or meet compliance requirements that prohibit shared connection credentials. Stay tuned for more Power BI updates.